Having trouble drawing faces from different angles? This video is for you. Don't miss it. Hey guys, my name is Mubin, and Anyway, I heard some of you struggle with drawing faces from different angles. But don't worry. Today, we're going to teach you how to do it. Let's get started. First, as always, we start from a circle to draw the guidelines of the face, and then draw a vertical line in the middle, like this. To draw a character from a high angle, instead of drawing the horizontal line for the eyes straight, we need to draw it as a downward curve, like this. You have to draw the eyes on these two curved lines. The only thing left is to connect the sides of the circle to the horizontal line in the middle, just like before. Like this. Then we add the details of the face. Make sure the hairline is at a high angle above the eyes, and don't draw the hair starting from above the circle. To draw a character from a low angle, we follow these steps. First, draw a circle and then a vertical line through the middle of the circle. Connect the sides of the circle to the vertical line, but this time, instead of drawing the eye line as a downward curve, we draw it as an upward curve, like this. We place the eyes on those two upward curved lines, and then we just need to add the facial features. One important point. When drawing a character from a low angle, we need to draw a triangle for the jaw on the chin line. Then, based on that triangle, we draw the jaw. This is the main reason beginners struggle to capture the sense of the bottom angle correctly. Like this. Also, remember this. The ears are placed along curved lines, whether you're drawing from a high angle or a low angle. In a low angle view, since we can't see the bottom of the head, we need to draw the headline very small. The most important thing for drawing top and bottom angles are the up and down curved lines. Don't forget these rules. They must be followed for the top and bottom angles in all three sides views. And as always, here's a little cheat. No. Here's a little cheat. Take a screenshot of the page and use it for reference. If you don't know how to draw lips, don't miss this video. I'm Mobin, and I'll see you next time.